Great white shark. Okay, so everyone knows the great white, biggest, baddest, most feared thing in the ocean. Movies are made about it. People won't even swim in the ocean because of it. And yeah, it deserves the reputation. But here's the thing nobody talks about. This animal cannot stop swimming, ever. If it stops moving forward, water stops flowing through its gills, and it just suffocates. The most terrifying predator on the planet will literally die if it takes a break. It can't rest on the ocean floor, can't just float there. It has to keep going, constantly, for its entire life. The most feared animal in the ocean is basically running from death every single second. Orca. You'd never expect this, but the orca, the animal that hunts great whites for fun, has one of the most fragile social structures of any predator alive. Orcas live in family groups, and they're not just traveling together, they're deeply bonded. And when that structure breaks down, like when a calf dies or a pod separates, their hunting actually falls apart. Individual orcas separated from their pods have been documented struggling to feed properly. This apex predator, the thing that literally nothing else in the ocean messes with, can become functionally lost without its family. The most socially dominant predator in the sea might also be the most emotionally dependent. Saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is the largest reptile on Earth, and it looks exactly like something that was designed to kill things, because it was. Ancient, aggressive, and genuinely terrifying. But here's what breaks my brain a little. It can't actually chew at all. It has this insane bite force, one of the strongest ever recorded, but its jaw muscles only work in one direction. It can snap shut with enormous force, but opening its jaws is actually relatively weak, and it can't grind or chew food. It just death rolls to tear chunks off and swallows them whole. The most powerful bite in nature, and it basically has to eat like a blender. Sperm whale. The sperm whale is the largest predator on Earth by actual size, hunting giant squid in complete darkness, thousands of meters deep. That part people know. But what gets me is the cost of that hunt. Diving that deep means going somewhere that would crush a human body completely, holding breath for over an hour, and doing it repeatedly just to find one meal. And sperm whales have to sleep too. They do these vertical, almost motionless naps near the surface, completely vulnerable, totally unaware, the biggest active predator on the planet, just floating there, helpless, for minutes at a time. Kind of changes how you see it. Tiger shark. Tiger sharks have this reputation for being unpredictable, aggressive, almost reckless in what they'll eat. License plates, tires, literally garbage. And that reputation is real. But the thing that surprised me is that tiger sharks are also one of the most naturally curious species in the ocean. And that curiosity is actually what gets them into trouble with humans. They investigate things by biting, because they don't have hands. So a lot of what looks like aggression is genuinely just investigation gone wrong. The shark that seems like it's hunting everything might actually just be the most confused animal in the sea. Still dangerous though. Very much still dangerous. Leopard seals, serious predators. They hunt penguins, other seals, move fast, and have this wide jaw that looks genuinely unsettling. They're not a joke. But leopard seals have also been documented doing something that makes no sense for an apex predator, attempting to feed researchers and divers, bringing them dead penguins repeatedly like they're trying to teach them to hunt. That behavior is confirmed and documented. The animal, built to terrify everything in Antarctic waters, has this strange, almost nurturing impulse toward things it can't classify. The scariest predator in the Antarctic ice, and sometimes it just wants to help.